Hello guys, welcome to Eazy-Tech Solutions. So in this video today, we'll be talking about website cookies. Okay, so this is not our normal cookies that we all know and eat. So these cookies for websites. All right. So what do we understand by website cookies? These are small text files. They are stored on the user devices. Okay, so website cookies are stored on our devices, our phones, our laptops, and whichever device you use to access the internet. That's where website cookies are stored. Okay, cookies are created by websites. They remember information about the user. Okay, so cookie is like your digital footprint. All right, each website you visit on the internet, so they all leave a trace. So that trace is what is known as website cookies. Okay, and then this enhance users experience and website functionalities. Okay, let me say for example you visit facebook.com. So what your browser will do is that if that's the first time you are visiting that particular website, what your browser will do is that your browser will save your website cookies on that particular facebook.com that you visited, so that whenever you want to visit that particular site next time, so your browser will now refer back to that particular cookies which it already saved for you concerning that website. Okay, that's basically how website cookies work. They are small text files and they are stored on the user's devices. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you what hackers or bad actors can do once they have access to that your website and cookies. Okay, so let's say you visit your bank website now, and you log in your bank credentials on that particular bank site. If a hacker have access to that your browsing history, that website and history of your bank, the cookies of that your bank website you visited, what they will do is that they were able to access and log in your bank account without providing any authentication details. All right, they don't need to provide your password, they don't need to provide your account number or the username that you use to log in that particular account. They will log in your account as easy as possible once they have the website cookies of that particular bank site which you access. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to do a practical demonstration of how this particular website cookie work. Once a hacker have access to your website cookies, how they will be able to use it to access and log in that particular account without any form of authentication. All right, so we are going to do a practical demonstration. So we are going to log in one of my Facebook accounts. We are going to log it in, and you're going to see how easy it is to log in Facebook account once you have the website cookies of that particular user, and you will see everything for yourself. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to enlighten you so that you know how to safeguard your devices, so that hackers cannot steal your website and cookies which are stored on your devices. Okay, so there are different ways which hackers might use to steal your cookies. I'm not going into that on this particular video, so maybe in our next video we'll talk about on that particular aspect, how hackers are able to steal your website cookie. There are different ways which hackers can use to do that, but for this particular video we are going to do a practical demonstration so that you will see how hackers can access any of your account once they have your website and cookies. All right, thank you very much. If today is your first time of coming across our channel, please do well to click on the notification bell, subscribe, and click on the like button also. Thank you very much as you do. So this is the particular extension that we are going to use to copy cookies from one website, then we'll use it to log in another browser. All right, so this is a practical demonstration of how hackers will be able to access your account once they have gained access to your cookies. All right, so this is the um, extension. This is the Chrome extension. I will leave the link in the description of this video in case you want to practicalize it yourself and see exactly how it works. All right, so all you need to do is to download and install it on your browser. I'm using Chrome browser. I've already installed this particular extension. All right, so we'll go over here. So this is the Facebook. We want to copy the cookies. Then we are going to log in that particular Facebook here. Okay, we'll log in the Facebook here, and you will see that we don't need to provide any form of authentication, either the username or password, before we're able to log in that and this particular Facebook on the other browser. Okay, so to copy the cookie of this particular account right now, all we need to do is to click on the cookie editor right here. So once you install the cookie editor on your browser, once you install the extension, it's going to show something like this on your browser also. All right, so once you click on it, you come over here and click on export. All right, so I will click here, then I'll click on there's a JSON. All right, so I'm going to click on this particular one here. I'll click on it. So you see it says cookie exported to clipboard. All right, so we have already copied the cookies of this particular account right now. All right, so I want to log in this account on there in this particular browser. So all I need to do is to type facebook.com. okay, facebook.com. So this is the fresh browser which I opened Facebook website right now. As you can see, it's telling us to log in. All right, it's telling us to log in. So what I need to do right now is that I need to open Notepad. Okay, so I need to paste in this cookie we already copied here. All right, so I'll paste it here, and let me minimize, then go back to the other browser where we have our Facebook login, and then the extension also. So I need to copy this link so that I'll be able to install this particular extension on this other browser. All right, so open new tab, come here. All right, so I will click on add to Chrome, add extension. As you can see, it's downloading the extension. Okay, cookies editor has been added to Chrome. I want to come back to this particular Facebook page which we opened, the fresh Facebook link which we opened. You will come over here right now. Okay, you come here and you will click on the permission. You say you do not have the permission required to read the cookies of this page. Request permission for. Okay, you see all sites. You click on all sites, then you will allow. You click allow. Then we'll come back to our Notepad. Then I will have to copy this particular cookies code. So I will come here. I will come back to the browser. Then I will click on the cookies editor. Then I will have to click on import right now. You know, when we wanted to copy the cookies, we click on export, but now we want to import cookies. So I will click here. Then once I click here, I will click on paste, Ctrl V. Then you come over here and click on import. All right, so as easy as that. So all I need to do right now is to come back here and refresh this link. Okay, so just refresh the link and you will see that you will automatically log into that particular account. All right, so as you can see, we have successfully logged in this Facebook account without providing the username or the password for the account. As you can see, we have this particular account here now. We have it in the two browser. Okay, it's logging here and it's logging here also. Okay, so it's logging in and we are able to log in this Facebook account on this browser without providing any form of authentication either the username or password. All right, so we automatically log in simply by providing the cookies of that particular account, and we're able to log in this account here. Okay, so once hackers or bad actors have access to your cookies, that's how they were able to log in any of your account at all, being it bank account, being it any of your social media account. They're able to log in without any form of authentication. All right, so the browser will feel like, okay, this is the same person that is logging in this other side, that's the same person that is still logging in here. Okay, so they are not able to differentiate between your login session from one particular system and another system. So they will definitely log in the person without asking for any form of authentication. All right, so in case anyone have access to your system now, they're able to copy your cookies. All right, they're able to copy your cookies and use it to log in on their devices. All right, it doesn't need to be the same devices. Once a hacker have your cookies, they can log it in anywhere in the world. All right, so you really need to be careful and be very vigilant when dealing with your devices. So let's use this other account also. Let's log in this other account. This is pair, no, Gpay. Okay, this is my Gpay account. So we are going to copy the cookies also, then we'll log in this same account in another browser so that you will see that it works in all websites. It doesn't only occur on Facebook, or let's say it works in all websites. In as much as you have visited that website must definitely leave a trace. Okay, must definitely leave a trace on your devices, okay, which is the cookies. So once anyone have access to that cookies, they can access and perform anything that you're able to perform from your end. Okay, so this is my Gpay account, so I will click on login. Okay, so as you can see, I'm able to access my Gpay account right here on this particular browser. So let me just copy this link, Gpay Africa, gpay.africa. So I'll copy this link, I'll come over to this other browser, then I'll just paste the link. Okay, so what I want to log in this particular account on this other browser over here. All right, so I need to copy the cookies also. So I will click here, then I'll click on export, click here. Okay, then I will come over here and click on login. Okay, so once it shows the sign in to Gpay session like this, I will click on this particular cookies over here, then I will click on import. All right, so I will paste the cookies which I already copied from the other browser, then I'll click import over here. All right, as you can see, cookies were imported. So all I need to do right now is to refresh the page. This particular method works in all websites, so it works perfectly fine in all websites.